Tools and materials needed. Remove the 10 screws from the rear panel. Remove the other 4 screws keep separate from the first 10. Remove the PTFE tube coupler. Release the rear panel from the left and right belt tensioner respectively. Tear off the sticker in the middle of the fan. Tear off the new sticker. Attach the new magnet to the middle of fan. Pass the rear panel through the tube. Align it with the right and left belt tensioner respectively. Install the 4 screws first. Install the other 10 screws.